Finding the best clean Oneself BathBackBrush household solution can transform an ordinary shower into a refreshing self-care ritual. A comfortable bathing experience helps you feel renewed, confident, and ready for the day ahead. This guide explores a popular choice that brings greater comfort, improved cleanliness, and a satisfying daily routine that many households appreciate and enjoy. Number 1. Authentic African Net Gentle Back Scrubber. Authentic African Net Sponge gently exfoliate, deep clean and maintain your glow anywhere. African Net Sponge Authentic. This African Net Sponge showcases its genuine quality through its uniquely knotted structure. The signature knot pattern of authentic African net sponges. These knots deliver a classic gentle exfoliating texture and an open weave design, facilitating lathering, reaching hard to clean areas, and quick drying, while eliminating the fragility of knotless net sponges to provide a long-lasting, authentic experience. Exfoliating net sponge. Enjoy mild yet effective exfoliation with this soft African net sponge, suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It removes dead cells, boosts circulation, and leaves your skin smooth and refreshed without irritation. Number 2. Back Scrubber Brush for Fat People. Color, blue, suitable for all people. The extended handle design makes it easy to clean the back without the help of others, making bathing more convenient. The soft bristles gently exfoliate, suitable for sensitive skin, and improve bathing comfort. The brush head is detachable, which is easy to clean and replace thoroughly, and maintains hygiene for a longer time. The non-slip handle is comfortable to hold and safer to use, suitable for people of all body types. Suitable for a variety of scenarios, such as showering, bathing, SPA, etc., to enhance personal care experience. Number 3. Body Scrubber Rubbing Back Peeling Massage. Here is your SEO-friendly content. Transform everyday bathing into a refreshing self-care experience with this Body Scrubber Rubbing Back Peeling Massage shower accessory. Designed for people who value cleanliness and comfort, it helps create a relaxing routine that feels soothing after a busy day. A well-maintained skincare ritual can improve confidence and leave you feeling renewed from head to toe. This body cleaning solution is ideal for reaching difficult areas, making personal care easier and more enjoyable. The gentle massage sensation helps turn ordinary shower time into a calming moment of relaxation. Its practical design supports daily use while encouraging a deeper sense of freshness that many people seek in their wellness routine. Suitable for different lifestyles and age groups, this silicone body scrubber offers a simple way to elevate personal hygiene habits. Whether preparing for work, unwinding in the evening, or enjoying a weekend self-care session, it helps promote a cleaner and more comfortable feeling. This bath essential combines convenience, relaxation, and skincare support, making it a valuable addition to any household bathroom collection. Number 4. 3 Colors 3-Piece Bath Set Rub Bath. Get the great exfoliation with the exfoliating body scrubber set. This combo pack includes a back scrubber, hand glove, and loofah to help you get rid of dirt and impurities from your skin. With this set, you can achieve a deep cleanse that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and polished. The exfoliating body scrubber is the great tool for getting rid of those dead skin cells and giving your skin a fresh and healthy glow. Our scrubber is easy to use and designed to reach hard to reach areas. It is made with natural ingredients that help to soothe and protect your skin. Number 5. Hemp Back Scrubber Bath Towel. Made of quality material, soft and durable for long time use, more safe. This is a versatile bath towel brush, which can help you to scrub and wash your body. The long straps make it easy to reach certain parts of the body and help clean your back while bathing. This product can keep your body looking youthful, healthy and radiant after every shower. Its surface will not hurt your skin, and is effective to remove the dead skin,